Hello students, welcome back in the next lesson of your video lesson of Max 1. In previous lesson we started with the completed in a previous lesson, that is the ratio and proportion. In that I explain you ratio, what is the different proportion in that I explain you direct and the inverse proportion and how to convert in the simplest form. So today I will take one more revision lesson, that is based on the polynomials. Okay, so what is means by polynomial? So before start the polynomials, just say me what is the term. Can anyone say what is the term? Now see, if I am writing 2x, okay, in 2x what it's called and what it's called, right? So it's called as the, this is called as the, number is called as the coefficient, and this is called as the variable. Variables are the any alphabets from to A to Z. Okay, so these together, now 2 is the coefficient and x is the variable, and both are together with the multiplication. So this is called as the term. Okay, if the only one variables are the 1 2 3, any variables are there, how it's not number of variables, maybe mostly 1 2 or 3 are there. So if the one variable and one coefficients are together, it's called as the term, and that term is called as a, it's a only, if only one term is there, that is called as the monomial. So we can say that 2x square y or minus 2x square y minus 4 upon 3 ab square c. Okay, so now this is the coefficient, a is variable, b is variable, and c is also variable. So this we can say that the monomial or polynomial with the one variable, polynomial with the two variables, three variables, monomials. Okay, so only one term is there, that is called as the monomial. If the two terms are together with a plus or minus sign, if the two terms are there with the plus or minus sign, if I am saying 4xy plus 7y or y square z, okay, now this is one term, this is second term, this is separating with the plus or minus sign, it may be plus or it may be minus. So then we can say that it's a binomial, two terms binomial. Then if the three terms are there, so three terms if it is there, then what we can say that it's a trinomial. So if I am writing m cube plus m square minus 5, or you can go it this way, 4x square plus 5y plus 7, this is called as the binomial. Okay, so if the three terms are separating with the plus or minus sign, then we can say that it's a trinomial. Or three or more than three terms are together, then we call it as a polynomials. One term monomials, two terms binomials, three terms trinomials, and more than three terms are there, mostly three or more than three terms are there, then it's called as a polynomials. Okay, now we will see the next part, that is what is the degree of the polynomials. So if I am writing 2x cube minus 7x raised to 5 plus 4x square plus 7. How many terms are there? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 3 terms are there. So we can say that it's a polynomial. Now what is the degree of this polynomial? Now see, whatever the variables are there in this polynomial, it's the same, x, x, x. So when the one variable is there, that time whatever the highest index of that variable, that is called as the degree of this polynomial. What is the index here? 3. Here index 5 and this index is 3. So which one is the maximum? 5. So degree of this polynomial is the 5. Okay. Now degree of, now more than one variables are there. Now here only x is the same variable is there in all the terms. If the different variables are there, if I am going this way, x cube y raised to 6 plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y6 y raised to 6. Now here two variables are there, not a one variable. If one variable is there, whichever the maximum index, that is the degree. If the two variables are there or more than one variable is there, then whatever in one term, whichever the variables are there, add their index. So what is the index here? 9. 6 plus 3, 9. Y's index is not is given, so that means 1. So what is the addition of this index? 2 plus 1, 3. X की index कितनी है? 1. So 1 plus 2, 3. And here only one variable is there. Its index is C. Now in 4 term degrees, if you add, so in first term we got 9, second term 3, 3, 6. Now which one is the maximum here? 9. So degree of this polynomial is 9. Okay? If one variable is there, whichever the maximum number, write it. But if more than one variable is there, if for each term, add the indexes. And whichever the highest number, that is the degree of that polynomials. Okay? Now there are the different types of the polynomials. First we say, what is the term? Monomial, binomial, trinomials. Then polynomials. Then we saw the degree of the polynomials. Now degree होने के बाद क्या आ जाएगा अभी? Types of the polynomials. There are the 3 types. First one is the linear polynomials. Linear means simple. It's not having any degree. So index. So if it is not having any index, it's called as the linear. So we can say that 5x plus 3, x power is 1 or 21, y power is 1. If you are not writing any power, means it will not means that it's a 0. X is having 1, y is having 1. So that are called as the linear. Now quadratic polynomial. Quadratic means the 2. If the polynomial's degree is 2, then we can call it as a quadratic polynomial. So square वाला जो भी रहेगा 4x square minus 5x plus 7 or 5m square plus 3m minus 2. Now highest degree is, now variables are the same, degree is the 2, so we can say that it's a quadratic polynomial. And third one is the cubic. Cubic means power should be 3. So if the polynomial is having the degree as a 3, then we can say that it's a cubic polynomial. So we can say that y cube minus 5y square plus 3y minus 1. What is the maximum degree here? It's with the one variable only. Yeah? So it's called as the cubic polynomial. So types of the polynomials are linear polynomials, quadratic polynomials, and third one is the cubic polynomial. Now we will see how to add the polynomials. That are the basic, everyone knows it. How to add and subtract the polynomials. So now in addition we will see the one sum. Okay, before starting addition and subtraction, how to convert the polynomial in a coefficient form. Okay, so question is x cube minus 2. Coefficient form मतलब letter के साथ, variables के साथ, we have whatever the numbers are there, we have to write only that number. So before starting this, we have to write it in the powers with the decreasing order. So x cube है, square में कुछ नहीं दिया है, so we can write 0x square. 0 into x square, it will remain the 0. So there is no value for that. 0x. Now I am writing the in decreasing power of index. 3, 2, nothing, no power is for x means 1 and minus 2 will be as it is. Okay. Now, what is the coefficient with the first x cube? Nothing. Sorry, nothing is given means 1. What is the square's coefficient? 0. What is the one's coefficient? 0 and 0.2. So this polynomial we converted into the coefficient form. मतलब we wrote only the coefficient of each variable. Now we will see one more, that is the 2m raised to 4 minus 3m square plus 7. Again write it in the decreasing order of index. It start with the 4. 4 के बाद 3 आएगा, 3 के लिए कुछ नहीं है तो we will write 0. For square it's given. 1 के लिए कुछ नहीं है तो 0m लिखा and last one number. Okay? 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. If I am writing 7m raised to 0 is the same only. So with the numbers no need to write the variable. The coefficient लिखो 2, it's required 0, minus 3, 0 and 7. This is called as converting the polynomials into coefficient form. अभी coefficient form से we can able to make the polynomial also. Okay? ये उल्टा. अभी we done this way. Now ये दिया है, इससे हम लोग ये कैसे करेंगे? And students, one more thing, whatever I am giving, just you have to copy it in your maths notebook. Along with you have to complete the homework. In previous lesson, in lesson only I had given the homework, but somewhere asking me that what is the homework. If you watch the video fully, then only you will come to know what is the homework. I won't give the homework separately. Okay? Now if 1, 3 and minus 5 है. Okay? So now, okay, वो पहला वाला रखते हैं थोड़ा टाइम के लिए. 2m raised to 4 minus 3m square plus 7. इसको शिफ्ट करके we got 2, 0, minus 3, 0 and 7. Okay? Now see, यहाँ पे कितने terms हैं? Coefficient we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये बीच वाला स्टेप भी लिखते हैं. 2m raised to 4, 0m cube minus 3m square plus 0m plus 7. Okay? So now whatever the coefficients we are getting, now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got the 5 coefficient here. So whatever the number of coefficients we are getting, from that we have to subtract 1. We will get that much index. पहला वाला कैसे किया था हम लोगों ने? x cube minus 2. इसका क्या मिलेगा? x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 2. So 1, 0, 0 and minus 2. Okay? Now how many coefficients are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So that should be the maximum degree. So ऐसे coefficient से degree convert करते time, if we are making that coefficient form. So students, now we will see how to convert the coefficient form into the polynomials. So if the question is 1, 3 and minus 5. So number of the coefficients are the 3. So from that 3 we have to subtract 1. So 3 minus 1, 2. So what should be the index? That is the 2. So कैसे लिखोगे? First terms coefficient is the 1. So 1 power is the degree is the 2 plus 3x minus 5. Okay? So I will show one more sum. Now see, if it is this way, 5, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. Now how many coefficients are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So degree should be 5 minus 1, that is the 4. So first term coefficient is the 5. So 5 y raised to 4 plus 0, y raised to 3 plus 0, y square plus 0y minus 1. So instead of no need to write all these zeros, with 0 you can put the only with the 0 coefficient you can put plus or minus sign. So क्या मिलेगा आपको? 5 y raised to 4 and no need to write the 0 minus 1. Okay, now one more. That is -2, 2, -2 and 2. How many coefficients are here? 4. So what will be the degree of this polynomial? 4 minus 1, that is the 3. So कैसे आएगा? First coefficient is -2 a raised to 3 plus 2 a square minus 2a and plus 2. So this is the way to convert the coefficient form in a polynomials. Okay, so students, today we learn what is the term, what is the monomial, what is the binomial, what is the trinomial, then how to find out the degree of the polynomials, different types of the polynomials, how to convert the polynomials in a coefficient form, and from the coefficient form how to form a polynomial. Now based on that, now I am giving you the homework in video only. You have to complete it in notebook and keep your notebook ready. Okay, so I won't give you separately assignment. So now write down the homework, whatever I taught you have to write each and everything in the notebook. Okay, now based on that, write the following polynomials. Write the following polynomials in coefficient form. Okay, so x raised to 14 plus 16 and m raised to 5 2m square plus 3m plus 15. Okay, and one more, that is the coefficient form. From the coefficient forms form a polynomial. So question should be, write the index form. Write the index form from coefficient form. Okay, so उसके लिए 3 minus 2 0 7 and 18 and one more 4 5 minus 3 and 0. Okay, so here from the from this polynomial we have to form convert into the coefficient form, and from the coefficient forms we have to form a index form polynomial. So students, sorry, complete it and keep your book ready. In next period we will start with the next portion. Okay, thank you.